The sun was so bright in the afternoon, and we do like to barbecue, that when you were sitting out there with the sun, it was almost like maybe 75 degrees in our patio area, but it'll be 110 degrees out here on the deck. So by having these awnings in it, we have now cooled down that temperature by at least 15 or 20 degrees. And then of course the sun blocks, and of course the nice thing about it, because it's rolling and it's automatic, we just push a button and the thing goes out on its own, and we can adjust where the sun is by how far we put the awning out, which is really nice for us.
When I quit working, we wanted to enjoy our morning coffee and breakfast on the patio, but the sun was so hot we couldn't be out here. So the first thing we did when we quit work was have an awning installed so we could enjoy the patio the whole morning.
Perhaps you have that same problem. Is your deck, is your patio, is your terrace, is it unlivable? You get blasted by the sun? Well, perhaps a retractable awning from European Rolling Shutters is an answer for you. Okay, so what makes us different from anybody else? We have three things. One is we've got a shell. So when your awning is not being used, say it's raining outside, say it's raining for months, it's retracted in its own protective shell. And this shell is designed to withstand any of the elements. Okay, so there's one. What's the next one? Second one is we have a wonderful array of awnings. What I mean by that is there's no awning in a box. There's no awning in a box waiting to come to your home. They're all custom made for only your patio, your terrace, your deck. The third thing is we have a wide array of colors, and we're going to be able to match the colors that fit only your home, your tastes and decor. In addition, these colors are most likely going to comply with homeowners associations regulations. And we know HOAs, they're really stringent and they're really tough on what kind of colors they're going to allow on the exterior of any home.
The awning in the patio, it more than paid for itself. Number one, we can use it all year round. Number two, when the sun does shine in the afternoon, we just open it up and we can just feel very comfortable having our glass of wine and reading the book out there. Number three, we're able to just sit out there and watch the golfers. So it has all of its pluses. So it was very, without it, I would not be able to do all that.
So the next logical step is call us here at European Rolling Shutters. We'd love to talk to you. We'll come out there, we'll help consult, we'll take a look at this patio or this deck or this terrace or this area where it's just completely unlivable because of the sun. We might be able to help you. We'd love to help you.